Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alrighty, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. So weekly we are in the uptrend. So this was your bullish breakout and the EMA is turning up. So this is a clear signal that we are going up. This is a bullish trend now in USDCAD. Same thing happened here last year when the bullish breakout happened in weekly. I told you many times now. Okay, so we are looking for longs only if we can look for longs. It's not going to give us the pullback in daily. Okay, so USD CAD is very risky pair if you don't trade with the trend, because now we are in the uptrend. So you might be waiting and waiting, and the price may never come until this EMA, and you may never be able to take the long entry because the price might just keep going up for 1,000 pips. You will never get the chance to get a pullback in daily. That's what happens in USD CAD. Okay, coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour again, you see here we had just one red candle, one red candle here, one red candle here. I think you go and watch my couple of days ago analysis. I told you this was your entry. Okay, this was your long entry, this was your long entry. You were supposed to enter here, so this is your long. For example, if you entered, let's say here, okay, so you would be in between the trade right now, and you just have to let the trade run. Okay, so in USDCAD, as per price action, you have to wait for the price to reject 4 hour EMA at least. Okay, if not daily, then at least in 4 hour. Okay, so you have to wait for the price to come until this EMA in 4 hour, reject it, and then blue engulfing candle, and then only you can go long. Otherwise, just leave this USDCAD, because if you have so much capital, if you can afford drawdown, then you can enter buy even here. Okay, in daily chart, if you have the drawdown capacity, then enter your buy signal here. Okay, and this will easily give you maybe another 700 pips. Okay, so in next 2-3 weeks you will easily get 700-800 pips even if you enter here. But you have to be ready. Your account have to be ready for the drawdown if the price comes until the EMA. If you enter buy here, and if the price comes here, then you still have to have the money to be in the drawdown. Okay, so we in the uptrend. Look for longs after the pullback. That's USDCAD for you. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join the free Telegram below the video, and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.